Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and today's video is one of the Trusty Tractor that we have here at Andover. It actually runs, and these tractors were made in the early 50s by Tractors London Limited. They produced various powered machinery for the horticultural industry and small holdings. The actual Trusty Tractor was actually a two-wheeled item. Then when they actually put the front wheels on, they called it the Steed. The early Steed had the engine under the seat, but this later one, the Mark II, or the new Trusty Steed as they called it, is actually the later model. About 370 odd of these were actually made, and they use engines from Norton, Jap, Douglas, etc. The engine fitted to this one is a Big Four engine, 600cc. It has no governor fitted, and it's easy to start just by using the strap on the actual crankshaft flywheel. The tractor itself does run, and we can lock and unlock the wheels at the rear as we need to get a really tight turning circle. This one, it's got the modern carb on it because we found we couldn't get it to run properly with the carb that was supplied with the actual tractor. But with the new carb, it actually runs, and if you look at other social media sites, you'll see this tractor actually running during our open days and on the other odd occasion when we just decide to get it out and air it around the car park. If you have any other questions, please feel free to get in touch and contact myself, Ashley, or Simon at Andover Norton. Thank you very much.